Thank you. Breast screening was generalized on the whole territory at the beginning of 2004. Initially, it was a departmental organization with a lot of number of structures, and recently there is a change of organization with a regionalization. One of the important points of the screening is the quality control of the screen program. One important point is the introduction of the digital mammography in 2008. The control quality is external with an biannually control realized by an external audit. And there is also the internal quality control daily for the bright environment on the screen. And you know, you see this phantom here. And weekly with the phantom MTM 100. And the score have been more than 52. Another point of the quality assurance is the training of the radiologist. For the first reading, mandatory training by the recognized organization, e-learning on practical day, and each radiologist have to read a minimum of 500 mammography per year. For the double reading, mandatory also training by a recognized organization, and each radiologist have to read a minimum annual number of mammography, about 1,500. Indicators. Monitoring of performance indicators are regional or departmental. The management structure sent also the result to the Santé Publique France for a national evaluation. French particularity of the screen program, double reading. It's double reading without consensus. And what is important is that only the mammogram by 1 or 2 are for the double reading. For the first reading, we have to do the physical examination. And when the breast density is type C or D from the BI-RAD, the radiologist can do ultrasound. This ultrasound is not obligatory, but recommended. Immediate diagnosis assessment when the mammogram is BI-RAD 0 or 4 or 5, with complementary view, a localized view, manufacturing view, or ultrasound. What is interesting is when the screening BI-RAD is 3, 4, or 5, there is no double reading, and after there is a follow-up or a biopsy. And why? It's this immediate complementary diagnosis. With this immediate complementary diagnosis, the woman have a quickly result on rapid care in case of cancer detected. When the mammogram is normal, BI-RAD 1 or 2, the women are informed of the final result after the second reading. This French organization, the women are invited to pass a screen mammogram. The woman choose her radiologist, a qualified radiologist, and the woman pass the screen mammogram with or without immediate diagnosis. The radiologist gives the first result to the woman, and when the mammogram is BI-RAD 1 or 2, this mammogram there is a double reading, a centralized double reading. when the mammogram, the screen mammogram is by WAD 3 or 4 or 5, there is this assessment made by the first reader after call first, voilà. And when the double reading is not normal, is by WAD 0, there is also an assessment by the first reader after local mammography. It's a double reading with about 6% breast cancer detection rate with a double reading. And here you have the French data for 2,000 women screened, only one cancer detected by the second reading. But this double reading without consensus is very heterogeneous on the territory. But for us, it's very important because this double reading has an important role in the maintaining the quality of the program. Here you have the French data. The result of the French program are in line with the guideline, European guideline. In this period, you see the number of women screened, more than 5 million. The breast cancer detection rate is 7.5 per 1,000, with it's for first and double reading. For the double reading, the breast detection rate is half per 1,000. And what is important is the breast program can detect small invasive cancer, less than 10 millimeter, about 35%. And cancer with no invasive axillary ganglion in more than 75%. What is important also is the rate of carcinoma in situ, about 15%. Interval cancer, this evaluation in 2014 show that internal cancer is 1.5 per 1,000. It's important because this interval cancer permit to have the real sensitivity of the program. In interval cancer is in cancer diagnosed within 24 months following a negative mammography screen, and to evaluate this interval cancer, it's required a comprehensive registry of the breast cancer and crossover with screening data. In France, we have only 10 departments. They have a cancer registry, and the collection of data from the anatomopathology laboratory is long. The interval cancer classification is also important to classify the true for negative. It's a cancer fast growing, or false negative, it's cancer misinterpretation, but this classification is not due in France. Here you have the data of the Department of the Loire-Atlantique, and you can see the evolution from it's a very old screen program in France, and you see the decrease, a very important decrease of the number of interval cancer, and this decrease is correlated to the frequency of the mammogram, and the interval cancer was most important when the frequency between two mammograms was 3 years, and when in with the generalization of the screen program in 2004, you see with the frequency at 2 years and the ultrasound, the interval cancer decrease with in Loire Atlantique only 1.06 per 1,000. And here you can see these two curves. Here you have the decrease of the interval cancer is correlated with the augmentation of the sensitivity, the increase of the sensitivity program. Ultrasound is recommended when the breast density is high, type C or D. I show you this observational study about 6 departments, and you can see the total number of breast cancer was more than 5,000. And you can see that there is a lot of ultrasounds who detect a little more than 100 cancer. Finally, cancer detected by ultrasound are only 2.2% of the total cancer. And what is important is the predictive positive value of ultrasound is low, and the predictive positive value of the biopsy is less than 25. When ultrasound is suspect, you see that in more than 75%, it's proposed follow-up. The limit of the French breast screening program is the low participation. It's important to see that this participation is very heterogeneous between the different departments, and between 2017 and 2018, more than 5 million women were screened, and the participation rate was only 50%. In conclusion, for the French breast cancer screening program, we have a long follow-up. What is important is the particularity of our program: immediate diagnosis if screening mammogram is BIWAD 0, 4, or 5, double reading if screening mammogram is BIWAD 1 or 2, physical examination, and US recommended if breasts are dense. But low participation. Alors, why? It's difficult to say, but that does not mean that women refuse screening. Indeed, individual screening is allowed and reimbursed by the health public assurance. So there is a big competition with individual screening. And the breast cancer screening controversy is mediatized, and perhaps for the woman, it's difficult to decide if screening is good or not. But tomorrow, personalized with screening, with perhaps the result, after perhaps the result of MyPEP study, is perhaps a good opportunity to for the screening program. Thank you.